Hi, guys.
Hey. Hi, guys.
Hey. Hi, guys.
Hey.
So intros are hard. Trying to make it interesting for you guys.
Let me know what you think.
Or don't. But basically, we built this.
For my files. And it has soft close. And we'll show you how we built it.
Right now.
It takes a very skilled carpenter.
So who are we going to call?
I punched myself right in the nose. Oh my God.
He has the shop, so he doesn't have any excuse.
Last time on Why Not Build It, our old filing cabinet was falling apart, so why not build ourselves a new one? Luckily, my husband's an expert.
So this is a... What the hell is this?
Okay, so maybe he's not an expert, but he's definitely at least built a cabinet with like sliding drawers before.
Never really built a cabinet with like sliding drawers before.
Well, this should be interesting.
You know, I've always wanted to do this. Everybody, when they build their things, they go, I failed.
Just have to practice
I know,
to get
I'm
better.
so used to it. I'm just a simple man.
Guess what? You get to check another thing off. Next is front panels. Wow, that's the actual drawer fronts.
And that brings us to today's episode.
You have to cut a piece of this. It's going to be the front for everything here. Let me draw a square that is rectangular so I can put the measurements here as a reminder.
A square that is rectangular?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, so now let's get some playing cards.
Put your cards.
Oh, those are collectibles.
Have you ever used these?
No, I mean, that's the point of collecting them. You collect them and you keep it.
How many collectibles do I have?
I mean, you are not a collector. You just don't understand. Just don't understand.
I mean, you're not going to ruin it.
I'll sacrifice. I'm going to center this up using my collectible cards. I'm going to put 2 screws on each drawer because this is the side that's going to get walnut on top of it. Ain't nobody ever made drawers this way.
By the way, guys, this is the third panel that we cut, right? The third one.
Second, all right? Second.
We recut it, I don't know how many times.
Tweaking. Perfecting.
Mm-hmm. All right, what now?
I don't know. Go inside. Relax.
What are you doing?
I don't know exactly what we're going to do with this door, but I know we talked about having it like come up like this. I think I need some more meat in here to drill things into.
Okay.
So I found this block and I'm going to screw it in so I can butt up. Good butt. You know what I mean? Get a good butt on this. The way we're going to do the top, it's not going to be this obviously, but the top is going to be flush everywhere. But I want a little reveal line. So it'll be like so. So for this spacer, I've also been looking for lumber to cut it and it's sitting over there. So I think right now I'm going to cut these spacers and just nail them in here so I don't lose them. One here, glue, couple bang bangs. Done.
We do have enough pine boards to glue up one solid top of pine.
So I'm going to chop that up, glue it, use that for the top.
Ow! Should have worn my boots.
Is this it?
Yeah, sure. What do we have here? Can you talk about it?
I mean, I don't know what to talk about it. I made a jig so that when I glue this, I have things to clamp to. You know you made it big time when you're not using your fingers anymore to spread glue. Get the big clamps. Look at that.
All right, so we'll let that glue up overnight.
Yep. This is somebody's trash that they gave me. We have to cut one of these sides straight.
For the record, I think that we shouldn't have live edge at all because I feel like it's very dated, or it's going to be very dated in the future.
Mm-hmm.
But this is Wender's project. Eventually he's going to put our filing cabinet like in his man cave. Probably won't see it very much.
My opinion, which is true and therefore fact, is that it'll look better this way. Okay, so I have to secure this to this so I can run this against the fence when I'm cutting and give us a straight edge on this side. You've been rivered.
You excited?
I am. But I'm not going to cut anything until we plane because you know how it goes in the planer and like dips in. So at least I can cut all that off.
Wender, how are you so clean?
Man, you chose the wrong side. You should have stayed inside.
You're the one who told me where to go.
The hairs ones are not going to come out. You're half tree now.
At least the walnut looks good though.
Yeah, no, that's money. I look good too. I don't know. 2 out of 3, not bad. So now I'm gonna sand to give it a luxurious feeling when you touch it. And I'm gonna sand down this bark. I think what I'm gonna do is take some of these little scraps to make a template of this size and shape. Then we can put it on here and we can like put it where we think, however we think this is gonna go. What do you think about that?
Mm-hmm.
You just hold that one. Wow, these are beautiful scraps. I'm gonna make something with it. There's my dream.
Need a reveal.
I need a reveal. Push this one to that edge, this one to this edge. Save this scrap. Probably make something with that. Well, we got a little reveal here, a little reveal here. Since I'm gonna use this as a spacer, I'm gonna cut a bunch of little ones so we can stuff them everywhere.
You gonna like tape them there or something?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Tape. All right, we got our spacers. Hold it in place. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna zoop a couple screws. So I marked on this backboard where the drawers separated based on the marks that I had on the sides. Now I'm gonna transfer it to the front. I'll take the stick, I'll cut it like there. Make a line, cut it again. 4 more cuts. I think now I'm gonna take this entire front off of here.
We're gonna paint this black.
Yep.
So that it can dry. All right. So I'll paint.
Too soon?
We had this paint that was like touch-up paint for the shed, but we don't have a lot of it, clearly. Wender traced this line. This is what's gonna show. So I'm just gonna paint this strip and then I'll paint the edges.
There's no coming back from this.
You don't usually make a lot of mistakes, so.
No, especially when the glue's on,
Yeah.
things go super smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Got my little river.
You finally made a river or something.
Finally have a river.
Tell the people what you're doing.
I'm marking where I'm gonna cut it for the drawers. People. Little rivers.
All right, so the next thing that we're working on is the top of the cabinet. It's been drying for like a whole week.
Gonna remove this glue, sand it all out, and kind of get this thing looking like a top, you know? Candice, where are you going? You got your wrestling match tonight?
Mm-hmm.
She's gonna leave me.
Sumo wrestling match. All right, good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
Hello, top standard, ready to roll.
I can't like.
I am going to attach this using some 45-degree brackets.
So you're putting the brackets in here, you mean?
I am.
So you realize the awkward position that you've put me in here? Like,
Interestingly enough, you positioned the camera.
we were here.
So,
Show me your brilliance.
all right, this is my brilliance. I usually will screw a bracket to just a scrap wood. That way I can put it right here, flush it up where I need it, and drill a hole, and not have to like be sitting here doing this, you know?
Brilliant.
Pro tip, be brilliant.
What now?
We still don't have a door.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to install these hinges here. I didn't know like how to pick these. I just don't understand hinges all that much. See how much lower they are here? So I'm gonna cut a little block to go here so I can screw into them. Oh man, nothing works good. This is it.
That's terrible.
It's open. Start over.
No.
That'd be starting over too far back. I don't know. Kind of hinge. But in other news, do you want to see my new little drill here?
Very fancy looking drill.
Very futuristic. So these guys from Black Zero wanted to send us a little new tool they make here to try. And what I told them is I need to use it for at least a couple projects before I talk about it. And I'm ready because I like it. It's got a screen in the back for small, medium, large screws. You can have it automatic. Then, you know, just kind of switch it out there. On the side, if it's green, it's in. If it's white, it's out. And it also changes on the screen here. It's pretty strong. I mean, I've been using this for the duck calls that we made and a couple other things. This battery, I haven't removed it, but apparently it is removable. so I guess you could always buy a new one.
It plugs into the
Yeah, USB-C.
Oh, nice. That's convenient.
Yep.
So you don't need like a million different chargers like you do with all your
Right,
other
this is the
tools.
same as the phone. And it also comes with a bunch of accessories. You can see this thing's all dusty because I've been using it. It's got these cool boxes. Here, it tells you that it's the drill, so you don't have to open all of them. And it comes with all these little bits and pieces.
And is it designed for like just a little bit of creativity?
It's designed for ultimate creativity.
Oh, good, good.
They also sent these other 2 boxes here.
And they're stackable.
They're stackable and it tells you what it is, right? A little diagram showing what's inside.
What does that top one mean?
It's a little storage unit. It's adjustable. All the stuff came with it. Different screws here. This is like to build furniture. It comes with the piece that you put inside. Things to hang pictures, small, medium, large screws, some anchors, zip ties, electrical connectors of all kinds here, some more anchors, and then these are shrink wrap for wires
And that one is what?
and tools.
If we just had this in the house,
it would have done.
all we
So
would need.
this comes with all these little tools and they're all like pretty slick looking. Look at this little hammer.
Really appreciate the design.
I do too. And it's got 2 screwdrivers, a little one, the big one that all these bits fit right inside of them. A knife.
That's a knife. Let me see that.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a knife.
That's not a knife.
This is a knife.
Wrench here, pliers, and tape.
Wow,
It
that
stays in
is.
place. Comes back in. That's a
Let me see the
slick
front of
looking
it.
tape. Huh?
Yeah, it is.
10 feet. What I think is going to happen is this box is going to be in my truck. Something happens and I need to fix something. I have a toolbox in the truck. This will keep in the house.
Storage stuff.
Supplies. The drill's going to hang out here. Huge fan. I'm going to keep using it. We'll put a link in the description below. They have a website and also on Amazon.
Alright.
Okay, so I upgraded them. This is the old one and it did this. So I got this guy.
It's like the Terminator of.
Yeah, check this unit out. Wow. And it's the same thingamabob here.
That's convenient. Riveting footage.
Oh yeah, 1/16th turn at a time. Speed this up a little bit. Very concentrated right now. These hinges are in here. It didn't take me 300 tries in an hour and a half. And now this thing opens all the way up. Still having problems holding the weight of it, but they make a little shock absorber. So I'll pick that up at some point. And now it soft closes and boom.
Okay.
I've got to make this stuff into one piece. We're going to screw this in at the bottom to match what we have going on for the top. It's going to have this little reveal here, and Candice wants to have the same thing on the bottom. Nothing's going to be seen except the edges. I'm going to get it gluing up so I can clamp it and leave it.
You glued up this piece. Well, hi. The next day, it's all glued up, sanded, right?
Oh yeah. I got these little spacers ready to mirror what we did up there. So I got to like start flipping this thing around. Got its butt up a little bit. Put a little glue on it.
So Wender's gonna screw this top on from underneath.
That's going to be fun to reach. What idiot put those in there? Look how much head accoutrements I have going on right now. Oh man, I wish I could detach my arm. Okay, let's make a mess, girl.
Oh, rowdy.
Oh yeah.
Ready, Frankie? Wow, look at you. Okay.
Now I'm gonna just sand it for 2 straight days and it should be good. Well, this is a mess right now, but we have a method to this chaos. The final design for the leg is gonna be this one. I'm gonna go cut this piece out so we have it, and then we can like put it on there and visually see it with our eyeballs.
Okay.
Okay. Hey guys.
Where we left off, that was like a couple months ago now. So you guys remember, this is like the side view of the legs.
Yeah, remember because I just saw.
That's true. I need the reminder. Maybe that. We would only do one though, right?
Yep.
And we
You
need
think we
two.
can get away with just one?
No, I think we need 2 legs.
You know what I don't want to do is go in the garage and get a piece of wood that needs to be planed. That's what I was thinking here. You ready to plane?
Oh, man, I hate painting.
Did you get dirty at all?
No. let's say I glue this and make the leg and then try to run it through there.
Through the planer.
Yeah, now it's like the exact size. The planer will catch here and do this a little bit. And I'm not trying to sand this by hand either because it's very dense. Really, like on the verge of just going to Lowe's and getting pine or something.
All of that planing that I just did was for nothing.
It's looking like
Cool. We're back from Lowe's.
back from Lowe's. We picked up this, I guess, shelving is what these are made for. I'm gonna split it up into 4 pieces. Bisect, quadricept it. All right, I'm gonna cut.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna mark it out. And I will pencil it.
I think they call that tracing.
We'll pencil it. Pencil trace it. I think that's more accurate.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm. The original plan here is cut 4 identical legs. We were gonna glue them together to make it thicker. Now, what I want to try to avoid is it doesn't have a ton of strength here. We could be like sliding it over and it breaks. When I double it up, I'm going to cut it so that the grain is going this direction, not this direction as it is right now. So this guy be glued here. This guy be glued here because we don't need to make the whole leg thicker. And these guys would sit here. They reinforce this outside leg, and we don't need this side to stick out any more than this.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna start to glue up, and then I'm gonna throw a couple of nails in there so I don't have to wait forever.
I did it.
Excited. First time doing edge banding, like my iron.
It has a little smiley face on
I
the
know.
front. So cute. So you're matching up the outside and trimming the inside with your happy little iron.
That's right. A happy boy. She's all stained up. Time for a coat of poly. So we did 2 coats of the polyacrylic and then light sanded with the 2000 after. Now let's put these legs together.
All right, let's put this together. Do it.
Yeah, like I'm surprised.
Isn't this a beautiful cabinet we've built
Yeah.
equally? Both of us have built this equally.
Let's give this thing some feet. Lower it in to the hole. Okay.
Got it?
Okay, now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna screw these in. Here we go. Screw them in down like this. All right, let's put this guy in.
So now we're going to do handles.
I think so.
This is my favorite because it's like the jewelry. Wender pre-drilled the holes.
Spare you the excitement of pre-drilling holes.
I obsess over little things like this for weeks, looking at a million different handles.
Yeah, me too. I lose a lot of sleep over these things. All right, it's done. Bring it inside.
Next time on Why Not Build It, our backyard is getting an extreme makeover.
Wow!
We have some big plans to transform our boring backyard into our dream hideaway. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
For my files.
Oh, you're going to start from the top, make it drop.
Make
That's
it drop. Some wet ass pop.
Wet ass Wender. Hey,
Oh, didn't get your head.
what happened to your sleeves?
Oh man, I had them this morning.
Well, I really loved your face. It's on your hair now.
Can you blame it?
She's like, wow, look at this guy's hair.
Like, this is the greatest forehead I've ever
Look at
laid
that.
my 8 paws on.